My Parma ham salad is this. Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something very easy, taste and always al bacio. We're going to make a Parma ham salad with peach burrata. It's very easy. Time to prepare this, 5 minutes. The taste is super. I'll show you what we need. Guys, of course, I'm gonna use some Parma ham. I'm gonna use the burrata, some peach, and some nectarine. Up to you, what you like. Boiled egg, we're gonna have a mint, pumpkin seeds, toast, and this is some sesame seeds, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, and oil. Take your plate. First thing, peach with skin. Take your burrata, just by hands, just break like this. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check out our website cookingwithanitalia.com. We do always nice stuff and salute. I want to put some nectarine as well. Take your ham, just put like that. A slice of bread, you know, and stuff like that. The egg, if you like, not too much. Some fresh mint from my garden. The mint is important in dessert. Oh, the smell, guys. Yeah, basically, guys, it's done. Some salt. Not too much because the ham is already salty. Pepper, a little bit more. Pumpkin seeds, a little bit. Sesame seeds. Olive oil. Quite nice amount. Balsamic vinegar. The job is done. Okay. This is my Parma ham, peach and nectarine, burrata, eggs, how do you want. This is absolutely delicious. You can, with this, you can eat just like that, with some bread. Is absolutely easy, al bacio and delicious. My Parma ham salad is this. Always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!